Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the incorrect PSK has been provided for the network SSID on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the error message indicates that you have input a wrong password. If you are sure the password is correct, the problem might be caused by the faulty network profile or corrupted network driver. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to delete the existing wireless network profile. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to select yung network dito sa ating taskbar. So, select the open network internet. So, select and right click. And then next step, kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung network and internet settings. So, click mo lang yan. And then, madadirect tayo dito sa ating network and internet settings. So, dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung ating connection mga kaibigan. Okay, so i-click mo lang tong ating connection. So click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung manage known network. Okay, so click mo lang itong manage known network. And then dito ay kailangan lang natin i-remove yung mga connections dito para ma-fix yung error. Okay, so for example, isa sa mga connection dito. So dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung forget. Ayan. Okay, so click mo lang yung forget. Alright, so once na-remove mo na siya, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to update your network driver. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right-click on the start menu, and then select mo lang dito yung device manager. Once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network adapters. So, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And the next step ay kailangan lang natin i-update yung ating connections, yung Intel. So, kung paano ba yan natin i-update? So, select and right-click. And then, i-tap mo lang tong update driver. And then, may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin, like search automatically for drivers and then yung browse my computer for drivers. And then itap mo lang tong search automatically and wait natin. So makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so after dito sa device manager and dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix and correct PSK provided for network SSID in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.